guys, I'm at the airport. I'm heading home. But a few months ago, Benny and David told me one of the things they liked about traveling was going into a hotel room and seeing the hotel room for the first time. And so I actually filmed walking into the hotel room on a couple places I stayed, and I figured I'd show you that in a video. And so enjoy. This room has a nice little view. So that first hotel room was actually pretty nice when it was small. It was a Holiday Inn Express, but the most important thing is it had a good bed, which I appreciate. Although the air conditioner kept going off in the middle of the night. I got hot, and it's because there was a motion detector. So it wasn't my favorite hotel room because I kept having to wake up at night to turn on the air conditioner. Remember, it's summertime down in Australia right now. Sydney, Australia. Okay, my second hotel room, the Swiss Hotel, was located right in downtown Sydney, Australia, and it was a nice hotel. It was not usually a hotel brand that I stay at. I usually stay in the Intercontinentals or Holiday Inn Express, but it was a nice one right in the central part of downtown. A comfortable bed and kind of nice and spacious, and so a cool place. But it would have been nicer to be closer to the Sydney Harbor with the Opera House, but altogether I can't complain. I had some pretty good hotel rooms on this trip, which is a little bit unusual because usually I get one or two that aren't so great, but it's all right. I'm happy that I had some good ones this time around.